Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my another blog video. And as you can see guys that I'm sitting inside my room, and I'm gonna make this blog video to let you know something very bad that already happened with me guys. Actually, yesterday it was Monday and Buddha Purnima, and a day before yesterday it was Sunday, so I got 2 days holiday, 2 days holiday. So, and also I got 3 bundles of copies as I mentioned in my school. Unit test first exam is going on. So you know what I did, I have made up my mind to complete my both bundles. I just made up my mind to complete to check my both bundles in 2 days holiday. Okay, so what I did, I just spent my whole day, entire day in copy correction. Okay, so I finally, what I did, I corrected my copies, no problem at all. I just completed my bundles, but while managing all the things, I got something, and that is, I got something very bad. And I think I got how to say in English, मेरे गर्दन में मोच आ गई, I think. So in English I think I should say I got a sprain in my neck. So guys, if I am just speaking wrong here, so please you let me know, and don't mind, but let me know. I will definitely never mind. So if I am speaking wrong here, I got a sprain in my neck, because I think I have heard somewhere or read somewhere that sprain means moch aana, something like this, chattak pad jana. So I got a sprain in my neck here like this. So what is the condition of mine right now? I'm not able to move my right like this. I can move, but yes, if I think to move my head or my face more than that, so I'm not able to do this. And guys, it's also just hurting me a lot. I'm just getting pain also here in my neck. And I'm also having, but not all the time, sometimes I'm not getting, sometimes whenever it come to move my like turn my face around or back like this, so that time like this I can look like this. So this is sorry guys, actually I'm sharing something personal, so sorry for that. This is my problem, not your problem, and your problem is how to speak English, how to be fluent in English. So for becoming fluent in English, for speaking English confidently, you need to do only one thing, and the thing is like speak English, and speak English means as much as you can, just speak, don't avoid speaking. Okay, sometimes guys, our initial day we are focusing only on listening, only on reading, so you don't do this mistake. If you are focusing on your reading, if you are focusing on your listening, means everything, so you are doing great in your life. I would just appreciate your effort, your work. But if you really want to get fluency, so for this you have to incorporate those things in your speaking. So just speak, try to search chance for speaking as much as possible for you. Don't avoid the chance of speaking. And sometimes what happen, whenever we are just getting chance to speak, so we are just avoiding, and we are only thinking means I can say like we want to live only in our comfort zone. So you please, my dear friend, you don't do this. Don't live in your comfort zone. Just come out of your comfort zone in the sense not to speak English, and speak only your mother tongue. So if you really want to get fluency in English, so you have to speak English with your friends, with your family. If in your friends circle there's no one who can speak English with you, who can understand your English, So no problem at all, you can speak with yourself. And if you are able to get a friend like this who can speak English with you. So my dear friend, this is very amazing thing for you. You just to go ahead and catch that friend. I will say the one thing, just catch those type of friends and try to get along with them as much as possible for you, and speak only English with them. And if in your family members, like your siblings or your parents, if they are able to understand English, so it doesn't matter if they are not able to speak. If they are able to understand, so you will have to speak English with them. Only then you can create English environment. As we all know very well, guys, like we all are not living in in this type of scenario that we can get only English environment all the time. We all know very well the fact we are not getting this type of environment. But if we want to speak English, so we have to create environment by ourselves, and we all can create this type of artificial environment, you know. So artificial environment in the sense, if I would say, so artificial means if you are fond of watching movie, watching serial, crime patrol, means any love story, something if you are fond of watching, so just to watch those things, so you must be watching in your mother tongue, whatever it is, no matter. So just convert those things into English and try to watch in English. If you start watching in English, so definitely if you are having interest about those serials, those movies, so you will understand in English. And if you understand, so this is great thing. And sometimes if you are not able to understand, so watch again and again. If you watch twice, thrice, so definitely you are gonna understand easily. So these all things are called artificial English environment. Like if I talk about myself, my dear friends, so you know, at my place, means mostly you can't believe I'm speaking only Bhojpuri, and this is my regional language, you know. Even I'm not speaking Hindi. Only with my son and with my husband I'm speaking Hindi. Otherwise with all my relatives, with all my family members, I'm speaking only Bhojpuri. But look, still I am able to speak English. So why? Just because I have created English environment by myself. In my initial day, I also just overwhelmed my mind a lot, like how when people were suggesting to create English environment by yourself, so I was thinking how to create. But yes, I have created by myself. As I mentioned, I have means nowadays, you know, guys, literally and honestly, I'm not gonna tell you this thing that you have to only think about English. No, nothing like that. Only just to give you some times to English. If you really want to adopt English language in your daily routine, in your habit, so you have to give some time to it. If you don't give time, so how can you adopt this in your life? So like this only I'm telling you. So you know, in my initial day, I was also just thinking how to create English environment. But when I was reading only books a lot, so that time I was not getting so much response in English as I wanted to get. But when I started listening a lot, and for listening, my dear friends, I must suggest you one thing: just listen and watch cartoon type, you know, animated story. So I have also heard these type of things from some of people from YouTube, I can say itself. So they suggested to like watch or listen animated story. So I have also just started listening animated type story, motivational type English story. So I can say like yes, I have created artificial English environment a lot in my daily routine. Means whenever I was cooking, I was washing clothes, I have just played something like animated story or motivational story, something like this. I just played and listened 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. I listened many times, and by listening day by day, I got to know like yes, lots of things, lots of words which I didn't know earlier. But after listening these type of animated story, after watching this, I can't say that I was watching, because I never got time to watch. Even though I was listening and watching from subtitle, but I was only listening, guys. I was not watching because I didn't ever get time to watch. But yes, sometime when I got any confusion in any sentence, or if I got any problem like new words, so that time I just stopped and note down it whenever I was free, like this. And but first time, second time, I was only just listening. I was listening only. Okay, so by listening I started getting to know, like, yes, nowadays I have achieved lots of vocab power, lots of words I can say I've gone through while I was listening, like this. So in the same way, my dear friends, in short, I would like to say that you have to also create artificial English environment for yourself. If you start once creating this type of English environment for yourself, so definitely you will be able to feel yourself confident and fluent in English. And okay, my dear friends, so if we talk about fluency, so don't think and don't bother yourself to speak fast English. Okay, just speak in slow way in which you are comfortable. So speak like that. It doesn't matter that if you are going to talk to someone and the person before you is speaking very fast, so you are also supposed to speak very fast. No, don't think like this at all. Okay, just speak in your own way. As you can see about myself, like whenever I'm speaking slowly and calmly, just because I have not achieved so much fluency in English so that I can speak fast. Okay, but sometimes, you know, guys, what happen if we repeat the sentence many times, so those type of sentences, if we get while conversing with someone, so definitely we are gonna speak those sentences fast. So no problem at all. So my dear friends, I think this blog video will help you a lot in your English speaking. So keep signing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English as much as you can. With this beautiful hope, let's say bye. So bye bye, my lovely audience.